What's up everyone, Jack from Half Chrome. I've got the JJPRO EPIK. This thing is a fantastic brushless motor drone with GPS for about $130. Has a 1080p camera that you can adjust up and down on the fly. Follow me, orbit mode, waypoints, and return to home. It's a heck of a deal. Let's check it out. All right, so this JJPRO EPIK is a pretty solid drone. I really like flying it. It's a lot of fun to fly. I get an HD feed from the camera from a Wi-Fi 5G connection. The GPS on this is really solid. It stays nice and level. I can fly this in a moderate wind and still be okay. Follow me works, waypoints works, orbit works, return to home works. That's what you want out of a GPS drone. Now while I'm flying, I can adjust this camera up and down, which is a pretty cool feature. Now it does take 1080p video. Don't think it's going to replace a Phantom or a Mavic, right? This is $129. Camera quality isn't quite there. Now, it is on ISO, so I don't get jello, which is nice, but we're not shooting 30, 60, 120 frames a second. It's not going to be the best video. Now, excellent for a beginner, great way to get started in the hobby. Learn how to fly one of these drones, play around with one of these modes, and eventually, if you buy this, you're gonna wanna buy something a little bit bigger, something a little bit better, something with a high quality camera. I was flying this around my pond. I saw some beavers playing on the ice. Thought it'd be really cool. That's when I really wish I would have had my Mavic 2 zoom, because then I could zoom in and see them. It's a little bit quieter. I can get a little bit further away, but it did a decent job, so I could capture some of that footage. If you are looking for an inexpensive drone to get into the hobby with GPS, this is probably the one I would recommend. Now, it is actually the same drone as the MJX Bugs 5W. It's basically the same thing with a different shell, rebranded and sold by a different company, JJPRO, which is also known as JJRC. Either way, whether you go with the Bugs 5W or with this, the JJPRO EPIK, you're getting a solid beginner drone, one that I would absolutely recommend. My favorite drone for beginners is typically the Rise Tello. I like to recommend that one. Now this one, definitely a different kind of drone. That is a small kind of toy-ish drone with a really good camera. This is more of an intermediate hobby grade drone with these brushless motors. You can fly it around. You can actually put a better camera on here if you really wanted to, mount a GoPro style camera. It certainly has the power to take that up in the air and get some even better footage than you will from this camera. So that's an easy upgrade that you can do with this drone if you want. So if you're looking for a good beginner drone, good first time drone, I would recommend this. You've been flying something really small, you want something big that can get a little bit further away, take some really solid pictures, go with the JJPRO EPIK. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Happy flying.